First fish, guys. Look here, guys. Look here. On that Rapala jerkbait. That's a good little stripe, boys. Look at that. On the jerkbaits, huh? We'll take it. He's looks like an old thing too. Look at that. Huh. Little thing. There you go. Good fish, guys. I mean, good. Big smallmouth, huge smallmouth. Yes. Right on that windy point, baby. No. Whew. I've been fishing a jerkbait and I knew that I would get a pretty good bite on that jerkbait. The wind's blowing, they're just hitting shad. And finally, dude, yesterday I didn't have no luck because I fished in creeks. But today, man, that jerkbait, Rapala jerkbait, that's my Rapala jerkbait. And it looks identical, you know, to a shad. And I love this color. I really don't know the color of it, but it's just like an all natural bait looking color. But son, there we go, probably 2.5 pound smallmouth. Good fish. I mean, I've got a good one on that. I don't know what I got. Good smallmouth. Good smallmouth. Yes. Oh my goodness, guys. I just caught a big smallmouth, guys. Okay. All right, guys. Third fish of the day. And I mean, dude, he is a tank. This little thing right here, dude, he is a tank, man. You talking about a fight, too. Good fish on, guys. Got a good fish on. It's a good one too. Good fish, guys. Yes. Smallmouth, guys. Oh my goodness. Here we go, guys. Third smallmouth. And I mean, he choked it. Look at that, guys. Oh, I've been throwing this and finally got a hold of one. I didn't think he was this big. Oh, good fish, long one too. Oh, third fish, fourth fish, third smallmouth, good smallmouth. Got a good one on, guys. I mean a good one. Good fish. Please don't get it's a good smallmouth. Another good one there. Another brown. That's a good fish. Yes. Oh my goodness, fourth fish today, guys. On that spinner. Oh, dude, he broke my spinner off. Oh no, he broke my spinner off. Goodness, well, I needed that spinner. 4 smallmouth. All right, guys, that is the end of the video. We're gonna shut it off here. It's about 3 o'clock, 3:40, and I've had a really good day today. I think we've caught 4 good smallmouth, a little bitty stripe or rockfish, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to show you all the jerk bait that I have caught all of my fish on, and I actually bought a brand new one this morning. Figured that I would have lost my old one, got it hung up, but I never did. So, but this is a Rapala Shadow Wrap Deep jerk bait, and it's, you know, it's kind of just like a all natural color. It looks just identical to a shad. And that's like when I'm fishing, a lot of people, you know, they'll have, and I've never really used it, but I guess you could, like light colored jerk baits and stuff like that. But me, I'm just kind of like an all natural type of guy. Just try to match the hatch. But so then my second bait today, I was throwing a fish head finesse. It's kind of like a weighted hook, but it had like a blade, a little spinner blade right at the bottom of it. And it was a 1/4 ounce fish head, and that's what they called it. And I literally, this setup that I'm showing you all, I actually caught my personal best largemouth, and it was during April. Caught it on a point, and it was 5.65, and it was probably bigger than that. I'd say it was about 4 years ago. And I caught it on this setup, so I had the fish head spinner hook with the electric shad 3.3 inch swim bait, and I love these Kitech swim baits. And actually and I'll show you kind of what the setup looks like. And the last fish that I had caught, and you can see how good that just goes together, but the last fish literally broke the blade off. So I don't know, and after that I never did get another hit. So I believe the blade, because I caught 2 back to back. Once I started throwing it, I caught 2 smallmouth back to back on it, and that last one, when I caught it, he knocked the blade off of it, and I was like, wow. So I just kept on throwing it, and literally I never had another bite. So I believe that that little spinner blade was the key today on that swim bait. And I wish, I really believe that I could have caught more on the swim bait and the spinner head blade. But and they're, you know, they're pretty, those hooks are pretty high. They're like $6 or $7 a piece just for a little bitty hook. And I mean, dude, this fishing stuff is just getting outrageous. And I don't know, I've been trying to make some of my merch and wear my own label, and I love it. But maybe one of these days I can make my own baits. That's kind of what we're aiming at right now. So I can kind of, and if I could and somehow save money, I could make good baits and I would sell it to you all really cheap. And you know, I'm not going to do this, what $9 for 6 swim baits, and you catch 1 fish and it's ripped apart. These swim baits right here ought to at least be $4, $3 to $4, and that's probably what they're buying them for. They're probably not even that. They're probably buying them for like $3 a pack, and they're selling it for $9. And like these hooks, it's just expensive. Fish stuff is just getting so expensive. But we had a really good day. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, comment. Good day on Norris. Had a little overcast, but yeah, really good day. Let us know what you think about this video in the comments. And if you got any more baits that you think that I should try, put them down there as well. And I'll see you next time. Bye.